Apple doesn't focus test shit. They put out this stuff. They have their vision. They mind mapped it. They put it on the storyboard, the vision board, and they said, "Hey, our valued customers, come to the scriptures of Apple and hear what the good word is." And they put out their product, right? And it's like, oh, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? You don't know. They're like, there's rumors. They might do this. They might do that. You don't know. There's no mass public coming in. It's like, hey, Apple's putting out. We're gonna do a focus group for our new Apple product. You don't hear about that shit at all. So you see sometimes a product or a movie will get, it'll come out like either what is going on or after. It's like, hey, this went through a bunch of focus testing. Like I'm thinking Suicide Squad here. Maybe BVS, Batman vs Superman. I don't know. But you'll hear about it after. They're like, hey, this went through like a couple rounds of focus groups and stuff like that. And the thing with focus testing, that what it should tell you is that the people behind it through the focus testing are going to sacrifice vision and the vision board and the good word to make more dollars, to make more money. Focus testing is a way of finding the lowest common denominator. Maybe lowest common denominator might sound derogatory, but I don't mean it that way. It just means what's going to resonate with the widest set of people. And it's going to be like, hey, we want to make money off of this focus testing. So when I see focus testing, I see we want to make money off of this. And people who don't focus test, they'll say, hey, we have a vision for this, and we're going to execute this vision no matter what. And we don't need to focus test. We don't need to focus test for this product. So, just bad for particular. Yeah, I got all my points out. Yep, did it.